Welcome to the brand new Versailles Tower at Paris, Las Vegas. Subscribe for more room tours. The Las Vegas local. The Versailles Tower at Paris Las Vegas Hotel and Casino was originally the 26-story Jubilee Tower at the Horseshoe Las Vegas, formerly known as Bally's. In 2023, Caesars Entertainment announced that the tower would be renovated and incorporated into the Paris Las Vegas as a Versailles Tower. We're over here in the brand new Versailles Tower at Paris Las Vegas, floor 67, room 16. 2 queen, strip view. Let's check it out. When you first walk in, the restroom area is going to be on the right hand side. Single vanity sink, not too bad. What up? It does have a separated toilet. You guys know how I am with the separated toilets. No tub in here, has the shower. Pretty good sized shower, looks nice and clean. Then once you come in here, you'll see a closet right here. You do see your hangers. I don't see an iron in here, unless it's on this side. Let me double check real quick. No, I see extra sheets, extra blankets, luggage rack, but that is about it. Now once you walk in, modern art on the wall, a nice flat screen television. This one's probably 65-inch, I would say. 2 queen beds. This is the 2 queen room with the strip view. Does have a lamp, little mirror right there. You check yourself out before going on the strip. Does have a little working desk right there. No fridge here, guys. It's empty right there. You would think there'd be like a little mini fridge right there. We do have one drawer right there. And there's your safe. Bottom drawer. We're down quite a bit here, so no putting in money in the safe right now, at least. There is a blue little sofa right here. Little end table, lamp. Little desk right there. Mom's over there chilling. You do have your charging ports right here. USB, regular plug, your lamp right there. And this is the highlight of the room right here. So check out, you can see the Mirage out in the distance. Rest in peace to Mirage. They're closing July 17th. Unfortunate, love the Mirage. Caesar's Palace to the left right there. Grand Bazaar shops down there. And Horseshoe right here to the right. But this is what's going to make this room so awesome right there. The MSG Sphere, perfect distance. You can check it out at night. I will record some footage at the end of this video, so make sure you do hit the subscribe. Leave a comment if you stayed in the brand new Versailles Tower at Paris Hotel. You do see the high roller right there, and then of course the Flamingo along with Dre's nightclub and the Cromwell right there. Nice strip view. This was a comped room. We did get it on a Wednesday. What's cool about Paris is the deposit's only $50. So yeah, you get the money back, but it's a nice little deposit along with the $54 resort fee. We did pay for that, unfortunate. But overall, pretty nice room. I would definitely recommend Paris. The only problem is it's quite a walk. You have to check in by the Horseshoe check-in for the Versailles Tower. That was kind of quite a walk, but other than that, looks like a really clean, awesome room, brand newly renovated. I would definitely recommend Paris Hotel, Versailles Tower. Make sure you give me a follow if you love this kind of content. And stay tuned, guys, because we're going to be releasing a brand new ghost conspiracy Paris Hotel video. You guys are going to absolutely love it.